Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn money in Vita Mahjong mobile app. Let's get started. First, open Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In Vita Mahjong, money usually means coins or gems that you can spend on new layout, themes or boost. You can earn these by playing, not by paying. The easiest way to earn coins is by completing puzzles. The faster you finish, the more coins you can get. Try to win without using too many hints, as that can reduce reward. Check daily challenges section in the menu. Complete this gives extra coins or bonus. They refresh every day so you can earn more regularly. Some Vita Mahjong versions has special events or multiplayer contests. Competing and ranking high can give big coin reward without spending real money. If you want extra coins, tap the watch ad button when it appears. It usually 15 to 30 seconds long. You will get free reward after watching, and that's it. Play puzzles, finish challenge, join events, and watch shorts ad to earn money in Vita Mahjong from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.